If you'll notice, you'll see what we call a heavy-duty end. This is manufactured worldwide. We either make it in American Standard or we make it in metric. Either one, we make it in. This heavy-duty end is actually crimped on. We have our own crimping machine, and we do our own manufacturing of our heavy-duty ends. Every hose has to have a heavy-duty end on it.
And why are United Equipment Sales ends better?
Ours aren't any better, it's just like everybody else's. At United Equipment Sales, you get a much better price from us than you do anyplace else. We have our clamps manufactured for us with the safety pins. And as you can see, they look very much like our competition here in the United States. Now, a clamp is used to clamp two pieces of hose together, so it has to hold the pressure. And you'll also notice that all our clamps come with gaskets. We also have what they call weld-on ends. And so when your hose does wear out, we can weld this piece right on your hose. So you don't have to waste your hose or store it in the backyard. You can ship it to us and we will put new ends on your hose. And it comes in various different sizes, from 5-inch right down to 1.5 inches. You'll also notice that we have what they call a ferrule. This ferrule is driven into the hose with a coupling on the outside. So if your hose is worn out, we can put brand new ends in your hose. And we also do this all over the country. People ship us hundreds of feet of hose that we repair. Here's a small size with heavy-duty ends. Here's a threaded one. In some cases you want camlock fittings, and this is threaded, not heavy-duty. This is the outside cover that goes over the hose that we crimp on the hose. If you need an adapter, we also produce and manufacture our own heavy-duty adapters with threaded ends, with coupling ends, and in some cases we have Zerk fittings which are lubed that you can swivel with swivel ends. We also make them from two sizes, from 2-inch to 1.5 inches. And for specialized projects, we have what they call a 90-degree L. This is a 3-inch 90-degree L that we have produced to our specifications. In some cases where there's shotcrete in tunnels or in swimming pools, we sell various sizes of shotcrete nozzles, from 1.5 inches, like this one right here, up to 2.5 inches of shotcrete nozzles with tips. Now, why don't you come over here and I'll show you some reducers. United Equipment Sales also specializes in reducers. Now the reducer goes onto the pump and reduces the hose down. We start at 5-inch. You can reduce from 5 to 4, from 4 to 3, from 3 to 2. Right now you're looking at a reducer that is 3 to 2.5. Our prices are very competitive, about 1/3 of what our competition is. Some are hardened, some are just standard reducers. Again, we have all different sizes, all different shapes. We can produce whatever you want. Line pumps come off 5 inches, and then they start reducing down. And you'll see right here, this is 5 inches, and this is 4 inches. And the reason why they come off this way is so you can back the ready-mix truck into the pump so this hose goes around. Okay, we have this in various sizes, in various strengths. We have a 5 to 3, 5 to 2, 4 to 3. It really depends on what size of concrete pump you have. You'll also notice here that we have what we call a form hook. A form hook has a hose on the bottom of it, and this hooks on the form. So the man does not have to hold the hose down into the form. He can use a form hook. We also manufacture these for our customers.